step of the fraction.
Yeah, so I'm gonna ask to please Brisa, Ángeles, and Sebastian turn on your camera because we will start right now. So, before to start, guys, you know that it is important to pray to our Lord, right, for a new day, yes, for a new opportunity, yes. And I'm gonna ask Kenneth, please pray today.
Gracias, Señor, por todo lo que nos has dado, porque tenemos salud, por mantenernos a salvo en esta cuarentena y que sigamos así, tal y como vamos. Amén.
Amen. Okay. Now, guys, I need to tell you something. Tomorrow, there is a person that tomorrow is his birthday, right? So, at count of three, everybody, please, we're gonna sing happy birthday to Kenneth. Yes, Kenneth is right here, and tomorrow está cumpliendo años. So, at count of three, everybody, enciendan sus micrófonos porque vamos a cantar. At count of three, right? Everybody singing. Count of three. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kenneth.
Happy
Birthday.
birthday to you.
Okay, now let's give a clap to him. Muchas felicidades, Kenneth. Que Dios lo bendiga. Lo siga bendiciendo siempre. Que lo cuide a usted y a su familia. ¿Verdad? Y que la pase bien mañana. Felicidades. Okay, now. So, guys. Do you remember, guys, which is the value from this week, from this month?
The work.
Which one?
The work.
The work.
And
Mm,
the family and love.
yes, we have love and joy.
I enjoy
Do
it.
you feel happy today?
Yes.
Yes, you are happy. I want to see your smile. Show me your smile. Okay, good job. Good job, guys. So, it is important you to be happy every day. Porque en estos momentos que estamos pasando, ¿verdad? Ustedes saben que es un poco difícil y tenemos que estar felices. Felices, felices, porque si nosotros estamos tristes, pues es una desventaja porque nuestro sistema inmunológico, ¿verdad? Se debilita cuando estamos tristes. Entonces, mantengámonos con alegría, con entusiasmo, ¿verdad? Y sobre todo, demos amor a nuestros familiares y a las personas que pues tenemos cerca en estos momentos, ¿verdad? Y también saben que es importante amarse a uno mismo, ¿verdad? ¿Y de qué manera demostramos que nos amamos a nosotros mismos? Pues cuidándonos, ¿verdad? Tomando las medidas, ¿verdad? Necesarias en estos momentos. De esa forma nosotros pues demostramos, ¿verdad? Que nos amamos a nosotros mismos y también demostramos y damos y tomamos el mejor ejemplo de nuestro Padre Celestial, ¿verdad? Que Él nos ama a todos y así nosotros tenemos que amar a los demás. ¿Ok? Si usted, por ejemplo, si usted tiene una persona que ha tenido problemas, hoy es un nuevo día para que usted le pida perdón a esa persona. Y no importa si usted tuvo la culpa o no tuvo la culpa de algún problema que haya tenido, pero deberían de serlo, ¿verdad? Y así ustedes van a tener paz en su corazón, ¿verdad? Y van a estar felices. ¿Ok? So, guys, let's start. with the topic today. And this topic, I need you to pay attention. So be focused in the class and pay attention to this topic, right? So I'm gonna show you first. First, I'm gonna ask you, right? And which was the last topic that we were discussing?
Add and subtract fractions.
Add and subtract fractions, right? And what happened when we have a fraction with like denominators? It is easy to add, right, and subtract. Yes. And what we'll do? What we do? Sorry. When we have a fraction with unlike denominators.
Find the common denominator.
Find the common denominators, and then how do we call this process? The second step.
Rename.
You have to rename, right, the fraction, and then when you rename, it is easier to add and subtract. Yes. So I'm going to show you the topic for today. We will start at once. We won't discuss the last homework, right? Because I checked some exercises you sent. Yes? And we will take advantage today because in the second hour, we will work in our book. In the first one, in this first hour, I need you to pay attention. Yes? I don't know if you can see. Can you see my board?
Yes.
Yes? Yes, guys?
Yes.
So, guys,
Yes.
which is the topic that we will discuss today?
Adding and subtracting these mixed numbers.
Mixed numbers. And what we mean with mixed numbers. Do you know what is a mixed number fraction? No? Do you have an idea? What is a mixed number fraction?
Yes, it's a fraction that has
number.
number. Oh,
Yes, of course. That is a fraction that has, right, a whole number and then a fraction. Yes? And then, you know what is add and subtract, right? So it is not necessary to explain what is that because you know, right? So here we have now an example of a what? An addition. Yes, so I will ask you to please try to solve this exercise. Yes, the way you prefer. Yes, take your notebooks and try to solve this exercise. Hurry up. According to what you know, please try to solve this exercise. Hurry up, I want to see you working, everybody. Try to solve this exercise.
La verdad, these exercises no are difficulty because this exercise they nos las enseñaron the last year.
Okay, that's good. So try to solve this exercise. Because you know, I know, guys, that you know what to do with addition, right? Because here we have a different denominators. The first step that you have to do is to look for the common denominator. But then I need to know if you know what to do with these mixed numbers. So hurry up. You have 2 minutes to solve this.
Finish.
You finish? Okay, good job. Let's wait for the rest.
4, entonces 9 por 6, 9 más 6, 15, entonces serían 24, 50, 15.
Andrea Montserrat, silencia tu micrófono.
Did you finish, guys?
No, mister.
I finished, mister.
Finish.
Finish, mister.
Finish.
Okay, first of all, you have to tell me, guys, which is the common denominator of this in these fractions?
10.
Which is the common denominator? 10, are you sure?
Is 5.
No, according to my knowledge, using mental math, that you should do this as well. If I write 10 as common denominator, right? In my answer, I'm gonna have, right?
15.
A improper fraction because my numerator will be greater than my denominator, and it can be possible, right? So you have to look for a bigger number. Yes? 20, yes, of course. That would be my common denominator in this fraction. Yes? 20. Try with 20. And then now you have to add. You got it? You got the answer, guys?
Yes.
Yes? So, which is the answer we have?
I have 15 over. The mixed number is 15. The 15, 15,
15, 15, 15.
Mister is 24 over 50, and the number that is here is 15.
Mister is 15, 15 over 50.
50?
15, 15 over 50.
You sure? So, which is the common denominator in this fraction, guys? Which one is the common denominator? Which one? 20. We have 20, right? And then, which is the numerator of this fraction? The answer.
11.
11? And why 11, guys? Why 11?
Mister 15.
No.
I
You have to multiply first, guys. Remember that you have to rename the fraction. Yes? Andrea Alaric, did you finish?
Mister.
No?
Mister, después de que usted
think
multiplique
that
le da
is
55 y 11 por
I
5
think-
sería 55, así que sería 11.
Mister, I think that is 322 over 20.
322. And why you are multiplying if you have to add?
Mister, es que así no te enseñaron en cuarto.
No, but
Y
last class we were, sorry. In last class we were discussing about this. Yes, Miguel? You will do the same as the last exercise, right? In the worksheet. The same process. Miguel?
My answer is 2220.
2220, good job, Miguel. 2220, that's the answer. And I'm gonna explain you how you have to do this. Yes? Wait, let's wait. And what did you do with the mixed number, Miguel?
What, Mister?
What did you do with the mixed number?
I do the normal process to find the common denominator, but I don't know how to put the mixed number.
Okay. I'm gonna explain you. Just wait. Okay. I don't know if you can see what I have. Sorry.
Mister, se me escucha un eco bien rarito.
Se le escucha un eco.
Ah, ya sé, es porque conectó su teléfono y por el micrófono.
Yes. I don't know if you can see.
Sí, sí podemos ver. Sí
Okay.
sí, sí, sí.
I'm gonna show you how.
¿Cómo fue?
I'm gonna show you guys how we are gonna do this. Yes.
Apaga tu micrófono, por favor, Monserrat.
So guys, in the exercise, right? I'm gonna show the exercise here, and you have to pay attention where it says iPhone Dennis, right? Yes. And please, you have to select the option where it says speaker view, right? Yes. So, wait. I will write, right? And then in my exercise, right, I have 9, right? 2 over 5, yes, plus 6, 7 over 10. Yes? Yes, guys? So, guys, everybody please turn off your microphones, right? Because I'm going to explain this. Yes, here we have this. Yes. So an easy way, right? An easy way to add and subtract mixed number fractions, it's to place these fractions, right, in a vertical form. Yes, like for example, 9, 2 over 5, and then we have here plus, yes, 6, 7 over 10, right? Like a normal addition, yes? Because in this way will be easier, right? Easier, sorry, to add at the end of this, right? So now, the first thing that I have to look for is to what? Common denominator, right? Because we have a different denominator, yes? And then I have to look for the common denominator, right? And then I'm gonna look for the multiple of 5 and which one other? And 10, right? So, and then I write the 10, the 5 table, right? Then I write 5, 10, yes, 15, 20, yes, and then 10, 20, 30, right? And I can continue, but now, which do you think is the common denominator in 5 and 10?
20.
20, yes, because if we have 10, right, my answer, yes, will be the numerator, right, will be less than the denominator, right? And sorry, greater than the denominator, and it is impossible, right? So what I have to do is use 20 as common denominator, right? So, and then I have, and then I rename, right? Remember that you have to rename. Yes, I have to rename. And how? Now, the mixed number will be the same. 9, 2, and 5. Yes. And then I will multiply, right, in order to rename this fraction. Yes. So how many times did I multiply 5 to get 20?
4.
4 times, right? And then I write 4 over 4. Yes. So 2 times 4 is equal to
8.
8, right? And I know that, sorry, I know that my denominator will be 20.
20.
Yes, so this one will be renamed as 9, 8 over 20. Yes? Yes, guys? And then I'm gonna do the same with the other fraction, but I'm gonna do it in another color in order you to identify, right? And then I have 6, right? 7 over 10. Yes? So now how many times did I multiply 10 to get 20?
3.
3 times? 2 times, right? So I'm gonna write 2 over 2. Yes? Then the mixed number will be the same, right? I write the mixed number and then I multiply. 7 times 2 is equal to
14.
14. Yes? And I know that my denominator will be
20.
20. And then I got 6, right? 14 over 20. Yes? And then if I have the same denominator now, I cannot, right? So I place the numbers as the way I told you, right? 9, 8 over 20, right? Plus, Miguel, could you please turn off your microphone? Yes, thank you. Plus, right? 6, yes, 14 over 20, right? So now in this way, right, when I have the numbers in the vertical form, it is easier to add the numbers. Yes? So because I will add numerator with numerator, right? And denominator, when you have the same, you have to do, right? So you know what you have to do. Yes, so Then I have 14 and 8. What do I have to do with these numbers? Add them, right? So what happened if I write 14 and 8 plus 8? Which is my answer?
22.
22, right? And then I write 22. Yes, and which will be my denominator?
20.
20. Yes, and what do I have to do with the mixed number?
Some 9 plus 6.
You have to add them. 9 plus 6 is equal to?
Hello, mister.
15.
Hello, Baden. Turn off your
sorry.
mic, please.
I'm sorry, because my computer said that I have an error in Zoom. Look.
No, don't worry. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, so, and then I got 15, right? 22 and 20. Yes? That's the answer that I got. But what happened, right? If I got as numerator. Oh, sorry, as denominator. Okay, guys, do you understand so far?
Yes, mister.
Yes?
Mister.
Okay.
Mr. is easy because just we need to find the common denominator and put that in that form.
Sorry, could you repeat again, Miguel? Sorry.
The thing that we have to do is do the process of the
same
the same process of the common denominators.
And after
And,
that,
in that,
you have to
and
add.
after that, you need to put the numbers like that form.
Yes, of
Easy.
course. Yes, of course. That's the only thing you have to do. Yes? So, do you understand, guys? Are you sure?
Yeah, mister.
Do you have questions in this part?
No.
Mister, I don't understand.
You don't understand.
It's almost like the same process of the last
Yes, it is the same process when you are adding.
Solo poner
Yeah.
los números y el mixed number y ya.
No, yes,
and
but
then
the mixed number, how to add the mixed number?
And
I don't
then
understand how.
the only thing, okay, when you finish the process, right? First, you have to find the common denominator. After that, you have to rename the fraction. Yes, and at the end, right? When you add the fraction, the only thing that you have to do with the mixed number is to add the mixed numbers. That's as simple as that.
O sea, es que es igualito como los números de arriba, solo
Yes.
es lo mismito.
It is the same process. It is the same process as the last topic, right? So we have less than a minute. Yes, and then I need you to get
Connect
in
again.
again in a minute, right?